Yep, we're getting ready to drive into it.
Are we in it?
We're about to be. I'm gonna turn the air down because I don't want our air filters to get clogged.
In a dust storm. That's what the sign said.
Pull off roadway, turn off headlights.
Yep.
But we've got a convoy leader.
Yes, we've got.
I don't feel any dust.
Oh, Ashley, what? Pull your hand in. Is it in?
Put your hand in.
All right. You probably won't feel it. It's super, super fine. That's one of the reasons why it makes it dangerous to be in it, because you can breathe it in. And it's so fine. It just gets right into your lungs. And you can kind of like, gets in your nose. But if you leave the window open, you'll be fine. But then you'll have like this super fine layer of dust on all your stuff. Back during the Great Depression, Maddie, there was a thing called the Oklahoma Dust Bowl, where the ground got so dry and it blew up so much dust that it destroyed crops. Part one, but only part one. I can see part two up ahead. I'm gonna leave it recording since I didn't record when we went up to the first one. No, pause it so we can.
How long do we have left
About 2 hours, honey.
Let's read on my tablet. Dude, now it really smells like dust.
Yeah.
Kind of reminds me of the silo. Sometimes the silo smells like dust also.
Yep.
That's my first thought.
Yeah. See? That's
Mike accelerating.